Put another one in him.
Are we on? We're hunting here at the West Kerr Ranch. Just got a good gobbler. Gave him a couple minutes. Went behind this tree over here. Gonna try to find him now. I think we did well. Yes! Yes, yes! Hunting turkeys out here at the West Kerr Ranch. My first turkey with a bow. Beautiful, beautiful bird. They came in about 17 yards away, two of them. Watched them for about 30 minutes. Ashley was on the call, calling them in. They came in, gave them some little purrs. They came right in. He was moving a little bit, shot him a little bit back.